Today, the Federal Open Market Committee decided to maintain the target range for the federal funds rate at 1/4 to 1/2%. Our decision to keep this accommodative policy stance reflects both our assessment of the economic outlook and the risks associated with that outlook. The committee's baseline expectations for economic activity, the labor market, and inflation have not changed much since December. With appropriate monetary policy, we continue to expect moderate economic growth, further labor market improvement, and a return of inflation to our 2% objective in 2 to 3 years. Ending in January, as the sharp decline in energy prices, the labor market continues to strengthen. Over the most recent 3 months, job gains averaged nearly 230,000 per month, similar to the pace experienced over the past year. The unemployment rate was 4.9% in the first 2 months of the year, about in line with the median of FOMC participants' estimates of its longer-run normal level. A broader measure of unemployment that includes individuals who want and are available to work but have not actively searched recently, and people who are working part-time but would rather work full-time, has continued to improve. Of note, the labor force participation rate has turned up noticeably since the fall, with more people working or actively looking for work as the prospects for finding jobs have improved. But there's still room for improvement. Involuntary part-time employment remains somewhat elevated, and wage growth is yet to show a sustained pickup. Connection with that, and as I tried to emphasize in my opening statement, since the turn of the year, concerns about global economic prospects have led to increased financial market volatility and somewhat tighter financial conditions in the United States, although financial conditions have improved notably more recently. In addition, economic growth abroad appears to be running at a somewhat softer pace than previously expected. These unanticipated developments, however, have not resulted in material changes to the committee's baseline outlook.